In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams. Make sure you launch the application on your computer and that you're logged in to your account. This step sets the stage for making any changes since you need to be in the app. Now that you have Teams open, the next step is to access your settings. Look for your profile picture or your initials, which you can find in the top right corner of the screen. Click on either of those, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will lead you to a window where you can customize several aspects of Teams. Once you're in the Settings window, navigate to the General tab. You should see this tab listed in the sidebar. It's typically the first option available, making it easy to find. Click on it to see the general settings for your Microsoft Teams application. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Language and Region. This area contains the options you'll need to modify to change your date format. Within this section, you will find different settings impacting language and regional preferences. The next important step is to change the region. Find the drop-down menu that is located under the heading Region. Here, you'll be able to select a country that matches your preferred date format. If you want the month-day-year format commonly used in the United States, choose the United States from the list. Alternatively, if you prefer the day-month-year format, often used in the United Kingdom and other parts of Europe, select the United Kingdom or Europe option. Choosing the right region will automatically adjust the date format in Teams to match your selection. After making your selection, you might be wondering if you need to take any further action for it to take effect. The final step is actually quite simple. To ensure that these changes fully take effect across your profile and that the new date format is reflected in your Microsoft Teams application, you must restart Teams. To do this, close the Microsoft Teams app completely. Make sure it's no longer running in the background, and then reopen it. Once you open Microsoft Teams again, you should see the date format change applied. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in how you view dates and manage your time within the app. Following these steps will help you customize your Teams experience to better suit your preferences. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Remember, adjusting settings like these not only personalizes your experience, but also improves your workflow. Happy collaborating on Microsoft Teams.